15 popular YouTube channels with over 1 million views. 1 MrBeast, known for elaborate challenges and philanthropy, often involving large sums of money and stunts. 2 PewDiePie Felix Kjellberg creates comedic commentary, gaming videos, and vlogs. 3 5-Minute Crafts, a DIY channel providing creative hacks and crafts for everyday situations. 4 VanossGaming, Evan Fong's channel featuring humorous gaming content, collaborations, and montages. 5 Vsauce, Michael Stevens delivers educational content exploring scientific and philosophical questions. 6 Whindersson Nunes, a Brazilian comedian and singer sharing parodies, vlogs, and humorous takes on life. 7 Markiplier, Mark Fishbach offers Let's Play videos, horror games, and comedic sketches. 8 Dude Perfect, a group showcasing trick shots, sports challenges, and entertaining competitions. 9 The Slow Mo Guys, Gavin Free and Dan Grucci capture experiments and phenomena in stunning slow motion. 10 Casey Neistat, filmmaker and vlogger sharing life experiences and cinematic adventures. 11 Linus Tech Tips, Linus Sebastian provides tech reviews, tutorials, and insights into the latest gadgets. Niga Higa, Ryan Higa creates comedic sketches, music videos, and parodies. 12 Philip DeFranco offers news commentary, discussing current events and pop culture. 13 Jenna Marbles, Jenna Mori shares comedic videos, DIY projects, and personal stories. 14 The Try Guys, a group exploring various activities and challenges with humor and insight.